Septic system coverage for a tiny house can make or break your financial exposure if on-site wastewater causes damage. Tiny house owners should start by checking both homeowner and recreational vehicle insurance policies because tiny houses are often classified differently and coverage for septic-related claims can vary widely. Ask your insurer specifically whether sewage backup, leach field failure, and contamination of groundwater are included and request policy language or endorsements in writing. Consider buying a rider for environmental contamination or pollution liability when available, since standard policies rarely cover cleanup of soil or groundwater contamination from failed systems. Keep a meticulous maintenance log showing regular pump outs, inspections, and any repairs with dates, invoices, and contractor contact information to substantiate due diligence after a claim. Obtain written warranties and bonding from contractors who install or repair your septic components to shift some repair risk and create a formal remedy path if work fails prematurely. If your tiny house ties into a shared system in a park or intentional community, create a shared system agreement in your bylaws that specifies maintenance schedules, cost sharing, and roles for emergency response, so liability and costs are clearly allocated. Common mistakes include assuming sewage backup is covered when it is excluded, so read exclusions and add a rider or separate endorsement where needed to fill that gap. Another error is poor documentation of maintenance and repairs, which weakens claims and increases owner liability. Remedy that by keeping dated records, photographs of system condition, and receipts in a dedicated folder or cloud storage. A third frequent issue is unclear responsibility for shared systems, which leads to costly disputes. Solve this by establishing written agreements among owners that define payment procedures, decision-making, and emergency repair protocols. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like septic systems for tiny houses and helps surface local professionals and community knowledge relevant to on-site wastewater issues. We host a discussion community so we can all share real experiences, contractor recommendations, and practical advice about maintenance, insurance riders, and shared system agreements.